Okay, let's see what's inside this Korean Trisonic. I'll tell you right now, it is wax potted because I tried to heat it up with soldering iron and liquid started to come out, which is wax. So they are wax potted. Oh, there we go. So that's inside it. Definitely wax potted. Yep. A bit of black plastic tape on the inside there. So I've got two sets of these. One with the writing and one without, and obviously I want the writing on it. These ones have I think it's a nickel bottom, nickel back, and the other ones I have, have a steel back. That looks like an air coil for the life of me. Doesn't seem to be sitting on any plastic. Oh, that's interesting. The resistance on this one, .3 ohms in that one. Here we are, it's slowly coming together. Cobbled this together today, put the counter on, just for something to do really. We're not counting rotations, we're counting millimetres travelled in this instance. That's just pressure pushed on there. I'm going to use a collet, and I've got to get a bolt and drill a hole through it and fit all that. So this is actually the front plate spinning, the back plate I haven't made yet. Getting closer. My tensioner arrived yesterday, so I made a little support for it. So the wire, when it arrives, will sit here, up through the tensioner, through the fishing rod here. It's quite an interesting little setup these things have. Down through that little hole, and the CNC's winding back and forth. I don't know if you can see it winding there, but it's going back and forth, spinning around. The counter works. Up to, there you go, 1,800 rotations. This is just a test wind. I think it takes about 16 minutes rotating at this speed. Of course, I'm in no rush because it does it automatically. And this one will be winding a 7.04 k ohm pickup, simulating that. Sped it up a bit. All seems to be working well. Right, the final bit is the pickups. So I've been winding my own pickups for the last few days, trying to get the hang of this. Yeah, that's what they look like. These two were outside the limits that I was chasing, so I won't be using those ones. Alright, so I've got the meter here set to ohms rating. I've got it on my neck pickup currently. We'll switch it on. And it's 6.93 kilo ohms. It's about 20 degrees in here as well. And I'll switch it to Henry. We're looking at about 1.72 Henry on that one. Okay, so the neck pickup is has a nickel base to it, so it changes the impedance. It actually lowers it if you've got a nickel base, or if you've got the epoxy one, I guess it'll lower it as well. Right, this one here is the middle pickup. Oh, Henry, checked out that one first. So 240, red special one in the book was 232, so I'm a little bit off there. And in terms of ohms, 7.52 ohms. And the last one, with these ones, so I've got the drilled the holes in the bases like that one, and I've got the textured rubber on the inside there as well. So these were the eBay specials that have been slightly modified. Well, I put new magnets in them and made coils, so they're very, very much modified. And just kept the case really from the original, the outer case. And the neck pickup is 7.0 ohms as the temperature drops in here. And it is 2.17 Henrys. So that's, again, reasonably close. So pretty happy with how those turned out. Next I'll solder them up and wax pot them. Then put them in the guitar and hopefully I'll be done. Okay, cooking up some wax. Got a sous vide cooker. I'm heating it to 60 degrees and I'll drop it back to probably about 58. The wax I've got is a paraffin wax that's supposed to melt at 55 degrees, so we'll see how we do.